Okay, now that we have a board and lists, we also need to add cards. And cards are the most important point, of course, because these are the real tasks that you then need to work on. And for cards, you have a lot of details to add. Starting with members you can add labels, and so on and so on. Let's simply talk about the creation in this video and then discuss the rest step by step. So you need a list for cards. So I can only create cards for a specific list. I can click here on add card or click here on create from template. We simply add a card. Record Trello video maybe. This is a to-do. I click on add card to add another one, or simply click somewhere else so that is saved. Another to-do maybe for today is script affiliate marketing course, and another one is translate affiliate marketing presentations. Okay. Now we have 3 cards here. We can also move these cards if we want. So when you finish the to-do, you put it in done. To-do, it's currently in doing, and then it's done. Okay, but it doesn't look too good at the moment. What you also can do is click here on the 3 dots and go down here, move all cards in this list. So you click on move all, click all on done, and then Trello moves all cards together into another list. You can also archive all cards in the list again all together. By clicking now on the card, you have a lot of things here. You have at first notifications. Watch to get notifications for updates in this card. And if I click it's watching, you are receiving notifications for updates. So now, as soon as something happens here or gets an update here, I get a notification. If I don't want it, I simply click here again. Then I don't have this eye symbol next to my card, then I won't get notified. So I really have to click into the card to see if there is an update. Below you see the description, that is like the board description, but here it's really for information about this task. For example, for translate affiliate marketing presentations, which I already started, 18 presentations in total, 14 of them already translated. Please translate the other 4 that you find in this and that folder, blah, blah, blah. So here, further information. Important. Keep an eye on blah, blah, blah. And also, maybe when I now translate 2 more of the presentations, I add it here to 16 and then here to 2, so that the next person that maybe gets the task because I have to leave, I give the task to somebody else, and then he knows or she knows, okay, 2 presentations are still in to do or still have to be done. So this is a way to communicate here also with your team members in the description. And we can also use here bold and italic, or use headings. For the affiliate marketing course, heading 1, and then we have like a first paragraph, a second headline, and so on and so on. We can also use here lists, bullet points, and numbered lists. We can have here links. For example, I click on that word, click here on link, and then I paste in a link. So people can now click and get redirected automatically to that specific URL. I can add images from my computer or simply with a link. I can click on insert to add emojis, a divider, mention somebody, for example, hey Tobias, this is for you, so that this person gets a notification because he's in the conversation. You can also attach specific videos, files. Maybe you had an offer for a customer and now you need to update that offer. Then you can tell the person, okay, you will find it in this and that folder, but this is how it looks like. So you simply attach the PDF. You have here the markdown, and you have here the help dialog to get the shortcuts you can use. I now click on save. Okay, and as soon as something happens, maybe this is my task, I can write a comment. I did 2 of them and changed the description based on that. The rest I will do tomorrow. Save. And now I wrote a comment, and the person that created the task might see this comment and knows, okay, Tobias is doing the rest tomorrow. We have a lot more to add here on the right side. For example, members, of course, checklists, labels, and so on and so on. But let's take a look at that in a separate video.